Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty excited to actually post this video for you guys. This is what my actual invitations look like, and I'm not sure the exact price on my invitations, but I do know that it came around $500. So far what I've calculated, it's $462.61, but that it's not including the wax stamp that I put afterwards, and it's not including the paper inserts, the chain, the gold chain, and it's not including the stickers, the postage, and it's not including the stamps that I put on the RSVP. For postage, I had to pay about $1 per invitation to mail out because it was so bulky and heavy. So basically, I'm gonna walk you guys through how I did my invitations. I added this gold washi tape, and you can get these at Walmart for I think $3. There's other places where you can probably find them cheaper, but I'm not really sure. I actually just bought these at Michael so I can send them out within time, and people were able to ask their days off and stuff like that for work for this. Just because we do have a lot of people who are out of state, and we wanted to make sure that they had enough time to ask for those. So I basically added the gold tape alongside the trim here on the middle part of the invitation, and then this is the middle part that has all the information. I add hot glue gun all over that back invitation. And it does dry up pretty quickly, so I'm going to try to like press it down quickly so that way it can be very thin. If you want to go cheaper with the invitations, you can use a cheaper paper. It doesn't necessarily have to be cardstock shimmer. So you can choose different card inserts that you can put. I decided to add the schedule, directions, RSVP. And I just wanted to know exactly how many adults would be there and how many kids would be there, just because I had a different seating area for the kids. And I also wanted to know exactly how many goodie bags I needed to make and everything. So that's why I decided to do the RSVP. The directions I had, since I am going to have a shuttle that will be transporting the guests to the estate, I included the map and everything behind the direction so that way they can see exactly where to park. And then the last one is the schedule. I just wanted everyone to know what time we were going to do everything, because everything was going to be done as scheduled. That way I don't miss anything, and that way I have the photographer take the pictures that I wanted to take for him to take. So that's why I chose that. And then if the people wanted to show up for, let's say, the cake piñata party, then they can arrive at 5. They don't have to be there for the whole baptism and or everything else that is included in the party. But I will list everything that I purchased down below so you guys have an idea of what I bought, where I bought it at, and how much it cost. So that way you guys can do some shopping around and see if you guys get a better price. This is the belly band that I already pre-made, and I basically got the thickest invitation and I just pre-folded that up so that way I could just slide that right through. And then these crosses were 9 pieces, and I believe they were for $10. That is also listed down below. And I basically took off the little foam sticky part from behind because I wanted to minimize the bulkiness, and it already had 2 layers on it. So that's basically how it's going to go on my invitation. I'm going to actually add a little dot of hot glue onto the corners of that, and then I'm going to attach the chain. And then I'm also adding glue to the corners of it just to make sure that the chain is not moving around. And I'm adding this throughout the whole invitation in the back. And in the front, I'm going to connect it back to the other side of the cross. And my son's birthday party is also going to be a Christian party. That's why I decided to go with the cross, the white, and the blue and the gold is for the royal party, because it's more like I'm making like a royal theme. So that's why I went with those colors. And if you have some chain cutter, would be a lot better than using scissors, but this is what everybody received. And this is the envelope that I used. I also added another paper insert inside, so that way it can be pretty intact when people receive it. Sometimes, you know, the mail, it just gets, all the cards get poked through, and especially since I was gonna add that cross, I wanted to make sure that that didn't pierce through the envelope. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. See you guys next time.